Morning all, welcome back. Okay, so we're going to do another artist in style this morning. This time it's going to be Gilbert and George. These guys do a lot of living sculptures. For those of you that don't know them, I'll give you a quick look. Gilbert and George. They basically kind of make their whole lives all about art. Some pretty cool stuff. There. So it's stuff like this. So that gives us an idea. Now, today's one's going to be done in Midjourney. I'm going to do a few in Midjourney because I use it quite a lot. So we're going to go. I'm going to try a few different things as well. So I'm going to do something like abstract image, an abstract image of a man in a suit, in the style of Gilbert and George. I use the ampersand there because that's the way it's written when they do stuff. And I'm just going to go HDR. Right, let's see what that brings up. Now, they do things like grimy street scenes and in some cases graffitis. So looking again, as you know, I'm always in my book. So if you're really looking to get the image of a style, you should use keywords. So like for instance in this, I should probably use as well grimy, graffiti. Yeah, they do some really weird stuff with naked bodies and human excrement and stuff as well, which I'm not going to get into that. And you use acrylic on canvas as well, so acrylic on canvas, and I'll go aspect ratio 16:9. So let's, oh wait a minute, I'm still in, oh right, I see why. Because I've been testing a lot of Midjourney settings, and I'm working in the Niji model. I don't want to do that. 5.2, yeah, that'll do. So imagine. Right, let's try that, see what we get. Pretty cool images there though, but not what we're after, because what we're after is stuff that looks like this. So we need the two of them to be on there to really give us. No, it's not doing it, is it? Oh, it's because I've put. Let's think of a different heading. Let's just put graffiti, abstract, living sculptures. Living sculptures. Sculptures. And I'll pop the rest of this in there. Right, let's see what we get this time. Okay, again, not really what we're after. This could be something like theirs, and the graffiti stuff's there. So I've done a new prompt. I've put the art in the style of Gilbert and George at the beginning. I've added grimy street scenes, graffiti and living sculptures, and I'm going to put two men in suits. So what I've discovered since I've been doing all these art and artist styles is that it's sometimes not enough just to put the artist's name. You've got to put, the type of art that they do. So Banksy, street, graffiti, stuff like that, and then you get a better result. I can already see we're going to get a more appropriate result this time. What you don't want to do is copy everything, so you get something that it could be classed as a copy of their original artworks. So this looks a bit better to me, although it's still a bit off. But again, messing around with the prompt, you'll probably get to where you go. Maybe take out HDR. But yeah, it's getting there. Yeah, those look like better images. Yeah, those images are pretty cool. You've got the guys in suits, but it's still a bit random, but still, Not too bad. I wonder if there's anything there. I think that's probably it. You can see what I'm getting at, and it's getting there almost. So I wonder, let me just try a final one. Image, Gilbert, George. I'm just going to do something really simple. Grimy, graffiti. I'm trying to put something that that hopefully it'll just pick it up. No, real life sculpture. Because sometimes with Midjourney, simplicity is better. You know, something like Gilbert and George, real life sculpture, and that's it. Sometimes it works out better that way. Sometimes you've got to write a long prompt, but specific. So it's one of those weird things. So, yeah, two guys in the suits. That's a weird. Let's see. Yeah, that looks better. So in this case, simplicity won over, I would say. So just think about that. You know, sometimes your prompts don't need to be complicated at all. They just need to be highly specific, and that is Gilbert and George do grimy stuff, they do graffiti stuff, and they are real life sculpture. So as you can see, does it even look like them? Has one of them got glasses? Yeah, kind of looks like them now as well. So that's pretty cool. So yeah, there you go. Yeah, not bad. Okay, thanks for watching as usual. Don't forget to subscribe and share. It's currently early Saturday morning, so enjoy your weekend. See you in a new video.